Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of CookingwithCheeds. And today we're making Laab or Laab. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But let's get into it. All right. So first things first, we're gonna chop up some coriander. This recipe, or making this in general, also calls for Culantro, which is like a longer version of cilantro from what I was finding out in my research. If you don't have that, cilantro is fine. If you have that gene that makes cilantro taste like soap, then you might want to skip this step. This recipe should be pretty quick. I think the most time-consuming part is going to be prepping everything. Once you get the cilantro that's chopped up, it doesn't have to be anything too crazy. Just chop it up as fine as you can, or as much as you have patience for. And we're going to set that to the side. Next, we're going to chop up some green onions. Once that's all chopped up, we're going to put that to the side as well. Next, we're going to cut one shallot.
It's good.
I'm going to put that aside as well. You also kind of want to toss it a little bit just to make sure all the layers of the shallots are loose for the most part. Next, we're going to take a lime, and supposedly doing this and putting some light pressure on it and rolling it back and forth helps you get more juice. I don't know how true that is, but we're going to find out today. And we'll set that to the side as well. Then we're going to take some mint leaves and keep them whole and just pluck them into our little concoction here. This dish is going to be very fresh. There's going to be a lot of like fresh flavors in it. There's only one cooking part. It's a very simple dish. Should only take you about 30 minutes to maybe an hour to do. Like I said, the longest part here is going to be chopping up the veggies. But yeah, and then that's about it for the prep. Hey, you there watching the video. If you do me one small favor, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so you can be notified of new videos. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Over medium-high heat, we're gonna brown some ground pork. You want to cook it all the way through until all the pink is gone. Then after that, we're going to kill the heat. And I want to start adding everything together. So over medium heat, we're going to toast some sticky rice. I think a good substitute for this would be jasmine rice. But yeah. You want to keep tossing the rice, keep it moving because you don't want it to burn until it is nice and golden brown. And I think we're just about there. And then once it's there, you want to kill the heat. This is what it should look like there. All right, and we're just about ready to combine everything together and have a meal. In a spice grinder or mortar and pestle, or a food processor if you have it, we're gonna add the rice and we're gonna blend it down to a fine powder. Also, the pork should be cooling off. You don't necessarily want this dish hot. And that's what it should look like there. Ooh, that smells nice. So yeah, and now we're ready to assemble our dish. In the pork, we're gonna add that rice we just blended up. Then we're gonna add our veggies. Then we add the juice of the lime. For some heat, we're gonna add some Thai chili flakes. I don't have any, so I'm using this African pepper I have. So this is gonna depend on how much heat you want in it. And then lastly, we're gonna add some fish sauce. I'm gonna mix everything up to combine. And there you have it, homeboy. We got some larb. Now it's time for the taste test. For those of you taking time out of your day to watch this video, I just wanted to say thank you. I appreciate your support. Now back to the video. All right, it's time for the taste test. Now, I think I've had this dish at restaurants before, and I think, or not I think, for the most part, they serve it with some lettuce. So I will be scooping that into some lettuce here, making sure we get a nice bite on it, you know. It's a little dark, hope you can see. Let me add a little bit more. All right, well, that's the best we're gonna get. Anyways, bon appetit. It's a nice, easy meal. I think it's more of an appetizer, but hey, it's good as a meal. You get a good amount of protein, fresh herbs and vegetables. So I have some of these seaweed things. This might go well with it. This actually might be a nice little combination right here. Let's try it and see what happens. There's the bite. Bon appetit. It's okay. I like it better with the romaine lettuce. And this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is most definitely Chidolicious. If you like herby, sour, savory flavors, this is the dish for you right here. And it's easy to make. If you like the video, make sure you like the video and comment what next niche international dish I should make next. Because we travel in the world with the culinary arts way of cooking. You feel me? Yeah, so like that video, hit the notification button. There's a new thing now called the hype button. If y'all could hype me up, I would appreciate it. Anyways, thank you for watching, and until next time, YouTube, peace.